Hello, Instream Trades here, and today we're going to have a short lesson. And what if I told you that you can be wrong most of the time but still make money trading? That sounds ridiculously crazy, but I'm going to prove it to you that it is true. And unfortunately, most of the people who trade or invest, they either do not know this information or they know it but ignore it. Remember, this is very crucial, and the key understanding to this formula is R2R, which stands for risk to reward ratio. What is it? Let's explain. For example, we have a chart like that. And let's imagine that you are a breakout trader. That means when the price breaks the previous high, you enter the trade and put your stop loss on the previous low. So let's imagine that you open the trade here, then your stop loss, you put your stop loss a little bit lower. Let's measure your risk. So you are risking, well, let's say 20%. How much you gonna make? Well, this is risk to reward ratio. So if I risk 20%, but I want to make three times more than I risk, which in this situation end up to be 60%, somewhere, let's say somewhere here. That means that my R to R ratio is 1 against 3. So I risk 1 in order to gain 3 times more profit. And this is the key understanding, the key moment. Remember, my advice is that you use at least R to R is 1 against 3. At least. You can make it even higher. If you make it higher, then your profits will be bigger. But remember this key formula. How can you be profitable if you just use this condition with your strategy? And your strategy still has to be good. But even if you write, for example, let's say that you took 100 trades, 100 trades total, and out of those trades, you had 40 win trades. That means then 60 trades resulted with the loss. That's bad, right? You might think that it's bad, but you can still be profitable if you use just this formula. How can that be? Okay, let's see. Let's start with your 40 trades, win trades. For every 100 trades, let's say that you open the $100 position. Every time you enter the trade, you open the trade for $100. That means that 40 trades that actually resulted with the profit, and you made 60% out of that trade. 60% of the 100 is $60, right? So multiply $60 will give you $2,400 in a profit. But this one goes for the win, right? Now, what about the loss? You may already do your math and you see what I'm talking about. You had 60 trades every time you open a $100 position, which resulted in a loss. And your loss was 20%. 20% out of the 100 is $20. That means the total you had minus $1,200, right? And check out, you were still profitable. So if you will draw the bottom line, right, and do your math, which is really easy on this example, then your total gain will be plus $1,200. Isn't that cool? I mean, you've been right only 40% out of your time, but you could still be profitable. And this is extremely important. I'm just saying one more time, it is crucial. And remember that and use it, because some people know it, but they don't use it. And then they say, well, I'm just lost all my money. And that's what I wanted to tell you. I hope that you found this information interesting. And if you did, and if you think that it is interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And most important, have a safe and profitable trading. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm showing you some secrets that are so easy, but not many people follow those rules. And talk to you later, guys. Bye bye.